Our non-stick oven trays have revolutionized the way we oven and bake at home. Whether you're cooking a three-course dinner or simply roasting some vegetables on an oven baking tray, our patented high-low non-stick system will make the process seamless. Or why not seal in those gorgeous aromatic flavors and create top-quality dishes with one of our deep oven trays? In this video, we will discuss the top 5 best oven trays on the market. We have done our research and this list reflects our opinion. We have listed products based on quality, durability, price, feature, consumer feedback, and more. Our goal is to create a proper shopping guide so that our viewers can make the best choice. If you want more information and updated pricing on the product mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description box below. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell icon. So, without further ado, let's dive into the video. Number 1. HLNG Key 3-Pack Half/Jelly Rolls/Quarter Baking Tray. Superior Non-Stick Technology. The baking pan set of 3 with high-quality Whitford non-stick coating and inner and outer protective layers to ensure the perfect release of food. Non-stick baking sheet sets can be used safely at temperatures up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit, with even heat distribution, anti-warping, and long-lasting baking properties. 3 sizes for various needs. The cooking sheet set includes 3 oven pans and a small quarter baking sheet. Inner sizes 11, 5x8x0, 8-in outer sizes 13x9x0, 8-in a jelly roll cookie pan. Inner sizes 13x9x0, 7-in outer sizes 15x10, 5x0, 7-in and half sheet pan. Inner sizes 15x10x0, 8-in outer size 17x11, 5x0. 8-in, the baking tray will provide the perfect choice for your daily baking needs. Exquisite craft. The cookie sheets for baking non-stick sets are made of carbon steel, which is sturdy and durable. Compared with glass or ceramic sheet pans, it is unbreakable. One-piece seamless design with no dead ends and rounded corners for greater safety. Smooth curved edges prevent finger injuries. Pros. Stackable and easy to clean. Versatile baking pans. 100% satisfaction guarantee. Easy to clean and sturdiness. Cons. Do not overheat. If you like a product, see the link in the description below. Number 2. NutriChef 2P Large and Medium Metal Oven Baking Tray. Non-stick, coated layer surface. The bakeware's durable non-stick coating helps ensure quick, effortless food release. No need for excess butter, oil, or cooking spray. Delicious homemade baked goods slide out in one smooth slide. Designed to last, the commercial-grade restaurant-quality bakeware is made with engineered carbon steel metal alloy and attractive goldish metallic coating. It is oven-safe at up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit 230 degrees Celsius and prevents warping after repeated use to last a lifetime. Ready to border. These cookie sheets non-stick baking sheet sets feature a fully rimmed border that prevents parchment paper from sliding out and juices/sauces from spilling while providing ample airflow and heat distribution for even baking/cooking. Pros. Dishwasher safe. 2-piece set. Heavyweight carbon steel. Rimmed border. Cons. Fat use disappointment. If you like a product, see the link in the description below. Number 3. Nordic Ware Oven Crisp Natural Baking Tray. I really like this Nordic Ware baking tray. The removable rack makes things like homemade garlic bread and seasoned steak fries turn out fantastic because the rack lifts them off the pan surface, allowing them to bake more evenly and without hot spots. Chicken patties and frozen grilled chicken breasts also have come out of the oven nicely on this baking sheet as well. Things like steak fries that should be crispy do actually come out nice and crispy, and things that should be slightly moist after baking, like a grilled chicken breast, stayed that way. Quality is good and overall durability seems like it will last me many years with regular use. Excellent value in my opinion. Pros. Value for money. Easy to clean. Sturdiness. Durability. Cons. Pan is rather flimsy. If you like a product, see the link in the description below. Number 4. P&P CHEF Toaster Oven Tray and Rack Set. Healthy. Both the toaster oven pan and wire rack are made of high-quality stainless steel without any other materials or toxic Teflon coating. Enjoy a healthier cooking time. Sturdy. The toaster oven tray is solidly constructed by thick-gauge stainless steel. The roasting rack is weighted by stainless steel lines. Both parts are rust-free and durable for years. Crafted. Smooth rolled edge with no sharp angles. Cooling rack is strongly weaved with parallel lines to prevent food from falling through, bake evenly, and come out perfectly. Easy clean, the mirror finish makes the small baking sheet easily release food, and the electrolytic processed SS rack less stick to food. Both parts are easy to clean and dishwasher safe. Size: baking pan 10, 4x8 x 1 inch, rack 9, 7x7, 3x0, 6 inches. Fits most regular toaster ovens. Perfect to bake or roasts such as chicken wings, sausage, bacon, bread, veggies, etc. Pros: very large area for grilling/broiling your oven. Perfect size. Tray and rack. Heavy duty. Cons: great for small things in an RV convection oven. If you like the product, see the link in the description below. Number 5. Weluza Cookie Sheet Replacement Toaster Oven Tray. Perfect kit. 2 pieces, including 2 baking sheets. Size: 11x9 x 1 inch. Perfect for your regular oven and toaster oven. Set of 2, which gives you options of toasting in one while preparing the other for baking. Premium quality. Weluza Heavy Gauge Steel Baking Sheet is a great replacement for aluminum pans, without toxic chemical coating or any other materials. Rust-resistant and durable. These pans are better than normal thick products, and the thickness of these pans is 0.8 mm QRFTD, with deep full sides 1 inch all around to contain more food, and roll edges with no sharp spots and smooth edges. The parallel lines are dense to keep food from falling through anywhere. Easy to clean. Cleaning is a breeze. The baking sheets can be super easy to clean up. Just rinse under water or run through the dishwasher. Service: our excellent customer service will make you with no worries after you buy it. If you're not thrilled with its construction or performance, please let us know. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe, and hit the bell notification. That brings us to the end review and buyer's guide. Hope to see you in the next video. Now in the comments, what is your favorite one? We hope you like this video. If you want to know the product price, do check out the description box. Thanks for watching.